Good morning. This is your lifestyle coach Mark, and someone asked me for a question. Sabi niya, paano ko i-impose yung leadership sa relationship namin? And ano yung mga kailangan ko para ma-impose yung will ko? Kailangan ko ba ng achievements? Kailangan ko ba ng pera? And that's a beautiful question. Let's do this. Well, when it comes to leading them into a good relationship, you do not necessarily have to be a doctor or have a masteral or have like a 70,000 per month na salary. You need to have competence. Now, when most of women who ask me, how can I make my men lead? Sabi ko kasi, may mga tao talaga, men, who have low self-esteem, confidence, and that affects their capability to lead. Now, if the men itself like to lead the relationship, well, that's the first step. They know what they want. They have a goal. Now, they could start at becoming competent. Competent in what way? Depende. Ano bang skills meron ka? Observational skills, planning skills, di ba? So, yung competence mo sa pagdidirect ng relasyon nyo, nakabase yan sa kung anong skills na meron ka. Now, saan papasok yung partner mo doon? I know that when it comes to leadership, it's not aakuin mo lahat para lang mangyari yung gusto nyo mangyari. No. You would be the one identifying yung mga bagay na pwede nyong gawin, ikaw at ang partner mo, and you divide the task. Divide the task into such thing that it will feel lighter, more fun when you are going to do it together, and most importantly, enriching and satisfying. Diba? So, I'll give you an example. Like for example, maalam si Mister sa mga restaurant na masarap kainan, mga napuntahan niya. Now, what he can do is to actually prepare the date, contact the restaurant, have a reservation, prepare surprises, so on and so forth. And if ever, di ba, if ever, out of reach sa budget niya, pwede siyang humingi ng tulong to actually call the women if they have the capacity to actually share the expense doon sa partner nila. Diba? So, natupad yung gusto ng babae na let their man lead, and at the same time, they are involved doon sa nangyaring event sa buhay nila. Well, this is your lifestyle coach Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards our goal. Have a good day.